Salutations to all Swamijis and Acharyas in front of us who is present here and who is also not with us in this room. And salutation to the entire Guru Parampara and wish you all the best. We are embarking on a beautiful journey. So with His divine grace and blessings, Swamijis, can we start? Can we start, Swamiji? Thank you. Thank you for the permission. Can we start the occasion, this divine occasion, with an invocation? Can we invite Srimati Padma Sridhar, who is also a Sevak, student of eCamp, who is going to do the invocation. Hari Om. You won't come in the frame.
Hari Om. 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 Sadashiva Samarambham Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam Vande Guru Paramparam Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahma Vidwaram Sadgurum Brahma Vidwaram Jaya Ganesha Gananatha Dayanidhi Sakala Vighana Kara Dura Hamare Jaya Ganesha Gananatha Dayanidhi Sakala Vighana Kara Dura Hamare Jaya Ganesha Gananatha प्रथम करे जो ध्यान तुम्हारे दिश के पूर्ण कारण सारे लंबोदर गज वदन मनोहर लंबोदर गज वदन मनोहर कर त्रिशूल परशुवर धारे रीति सीधी तो वो चमर दुलारे मूषिक वाहन परम सुखारे रीति सीधी तो वो चमर दुलारे मूषिक वाहन परम सुखारे जय गणेश गणनाथ दयानिधि सकल विघ्न कर दूर हमारे जय गणेश गणनाथ. Thank you. Hari Om.
Thank you, Padma Amma. That was a beautiful rendition. Very, very nice. Can we have Shri Balakrishnan PA to address, welcome address? Thank you, Balakrishnan ji.
Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Vyasaya Vishnurupaya Vyasarupaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahmanidaye Vasishtaya Namo Namaha. Hari Om. Salutations to Pujya Gurudev. My humble pranams to all Pujya Acharyas, most dedicated sloga chanting session teachers, eCamp Group Sevak training coordinators, administrators, study group Sevaks, and all other guests and dignitaries present here. I consider this opportunity to address this welcome note as true blessings from the Chinmaya Mission Guru Parampara on this very, very significant Guru Purnima day. I am sure this evening's proceedings will remain in our mind forever from now as a grand turnaround happening in our life. I extend hearty welcome to all Pujya Acharyas, faculty members and guests present here for the memorable Jnana Ganga graduation ceremony. Heritage like Chinmaya Mission only can think differently and evolve ourselves from a pandemic situation like this to handle life around us and kindle our positive aspects. About the eCamp study group Sevak training, the syllabus, the mode of teaching and learning, verbatim in line with a Subhashidam, Acharyat Padamadatte Padam Shishya Somedhaya Padam Sabrahmacharibhyaha Padam Kalakramena Cha. We learn quarter from Acharya, quarter from our own effort, that is self-study what we all did, quarter from discussions with co-students, group study what we all had, and the last quarter from personal experience like me balding and graying with some others. A Latin proverb also says, by learning you will teach and by teaching you will learn. On behalf of all of us, I chant a Veda mantra as an offering to Veda Mata for her blessings, for our perfect understanding, harmony, true to our pledge. We stand as one family, bound to each other with love and respect. Om Samsamadivase Vrishannagне Vishwanarya Ilaspade Samidyase Sanova Sunyabara Sanghajyadvam Samvadadvam Samvo Manam Sijanadam Devabhagam Yada Purve Sanjanana Upasate Samano Mantras Samitis Samani Samanam Manasaha Chittamesham Samanam Mantram Abhimandrayevaha Samanena Vo Havisha Juhomi Samaniva Akhudis Samana Hridayanivaha Samanamastubho Mano Yadavassu Sahasati Aigamatyam Bhavedesham Jananam cha visheshadaha nirverata jajayande. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. That is Aikimatya Suktam, the last of the Rigveda Suktam. O mighty Agni, unite us on all sides. You shine at the altar of the earth. Bring opulence on all sides. Meet together, talk together. Let your minds comprehend in harmony, in like manner as the ancient gods conquering accepted their portion of the sacrifices. Common be the purpose, common the assembly, common the mind, so be their hearts united. A common purpose I lay before you and worship with common oblation. United by your intention, united be your hearts, united your thoughts, so that there may be a thorough harmony amongst you. I invoke our Guru Parampara and Pujya Gurudev. Tvameva Mata cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhuscha Sakha Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Tvameva Sarvam Guru Deva Deva.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Balakrishnan ji. Most insightful welcome address. இப்பொழுது நாம் சுவாமிஜி சுரேஷானந்தா அவர்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறோம் சிறப்பை உரை ஆற்றுவதற்கு. அவர் கையிலிருந்து இந்த சிறப்பான மாணவி தமிழ் கற்றதோ வேதாந்த கற்றதோ எனக்கு தெரியவில்லை, ஆனால் தமிழ் நன்றாக கற்றிருக்கிறேன். Allava Swamiji, Hari Om.
हरि ओम रुदंच स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च सत्यंच स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च दमश्च स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च शमश्च स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च எல்லா பிரம்மச்சாரி கோர்ஸ் முடிஞ்சதுக்கப்புறம் கிரேட் ஆச்சாரியாஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸை வெளியே அனுப்பும் பொழுது சொல்கிற ஒரே விஷயம், ஸ்ரவணம் பண்ணியாச்சு, மனனம் அதை மட்டும் சாதனையாக ஃபாலோ பண்ணிக்கோங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அனுப்புவாங்க. நான் அதையே சொல்லிட்டு முடிச்சுக்கிறேன். ஹரி ஓம்.
Nandri Swamiji. Now we have campus exactly 60 seconds impression. So what you can do is you can position yourself here so that you come on YouTube. And you can also face our acharyas. So if you go there, you will not be able to see one by one. 1 minute, please share your impressions. So, Sevak number 1 onwards. Sevak number 1. So, pass on the mic.
Oh, sorry. Pranams to Pujya Gurudev. Pranams to all Acharyas. Our okay, no take. Sorry. Our great Guru and large-hearted Rishi who gave us this knowledge, great knowledge and wisdom, which without any expectation, and hence we are supposed to be here for the same purpose. And I wish to continue that path with absolute dedication and commitment as a sevak of this tradition. Hari Om.
Hari Om everyone. I'm Kausar Jahan. I had always believed that my calling is towards the great culture and tradition of our country. And I fervently believe that Gurudev chose me to be in Chinmaya Mission. And this is one of the sakshi for this. It was an accident that I enrolled myself into the study group. I absolutely had no idea about how this would be, but I'm so grateful that I did that. And I'm so happy that I'm part of the great study of Vedanta. And I had a very beautiful experience meeting everyone. And I can't explain it in words how I feel right now to be part of this great culture, tradition. And pranams to our Gurudev and all the acharyas who taught us.
Hari Om. Pranams to one and all. இந்த டிவைன் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் கிடைச்சதுக்கு குருதேவோடைய பிளெஸ்ஸிங்ஸ்க்கு ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். ஆச்சாரியாஸ்க்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே தேங்க்ஸ். 40 நாள் எப்படி போச்சுன்னே தெரியல. எங்களை ரொம்ப பிஸியாக வச்சுருந்தீங்க. பட் இதே திருப்பியும் எங்களுக்கு கண்டினியூ ஆகணும். இந்த குருதட்சிணாவாக நாங்கள் கொடுக்க போகிறது வந்து எங்களுடைய சாதனா அண்ட் செல்ஃப்லெஸ் டெடிகேட்டட் சர்வீஸ். தேங்க்யூ. ஹரி ஓம்.
Pranams to Swamijis and Acharyas. Pranams to all. I am Padma Priya. இந்த 40 டேஸும் ஒரு கோல்டன் டேஸ் தான் சொல்லணும் லைஃப்பில். அந்த மாதிரி நல்லா ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தது. 20 இயர்ஸாக படித்த பகவத்கீதை ஞான யக்னம் அவ்வளோ ஒரு 10 உபநிஷத்து பாலகர் கிளாஸஸ்லாம் எடுத்திருக்கோம். கோஆர்டினேட்டராக இருந்திருக்கேன், பகவத்கீதை கோஆர்டினேட்டராக. எல்லாமே மைண்டில் அப்படியே டம்ப் ஆகியிருக்கு. அது எல்லாமே மற்றவங்களுக்கு எப்படி மற்றவங்களுக்கு உதவ வைக்கணும், மற்றவங்களோட எப்படி ஷேர் பண்ணணும்னு இந்த 40 நாள் கிளாஸில் சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க. ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு. I give more than what I take. Thank you.
Pranams. Pranams. My salutations to all. Hello. My salutations to all Swamijis, those who are rendered our duties to make us flow in the path of Dharma. So I learned so many things. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Anandam Paramanandam. I cannot explain. ஸோ இது மாதிரி எப்போவுமே நடந்துக்கிட்டே இருக்கணும், எல்லா இடத்துலையும் நடக்கணும். இந்த பேண்டமிக் பீரியடில் இவ்வளோ இதுவாக செஞ்சுருக்காங்கன்னா வி கேனாட், எப்படி நம்ம சொல்கிறதுன்னு தெரியல. பிளாட்டினம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் கூட முடியாது, பிளாட்டினத்தோட வேல்யூ. ஹரி ஓம், ஹரி ஓம்.
Hari Om. I am Sevak, devotee, Ramalakshmi. I am yours. I am surrendering completely to Gurudev. So whatever he wishes and he wants to do through me, let him do. Pranams to all. Pranams.
Hari Om. Pranams to everybody, all acharyas. ஆக்சுவலாக இங்கே இந்த கோர்ஸ் எனக்காகவே ஆரம்பிச்சேன்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். ஆக்சுவலாக வந்து இந்த மாதம் இருக்க நான் வந்து மெரைன் இன்ஜினியர், ஆக்சுவலாக கப்பலில் வேலை பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கேன். இந்த மாதம் வருவேன் நான் எதிர்பார்க்கல, பை ஆக்சிடென்ட் தான் நான் இங்கே வந்தேன். இந்த கோர்ஸ் அண்டர்கோ பண்ணும்போது எனக்காகவே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபீலிங் எனக்கு ஆக்சுவலி. ஸோ ஆக்சுவலாக இது வரைக்கும் நான் நினச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன் டீச்சிங் பண்ணுறது வந்து அடுத்தவங்களுக்காக பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னு நான் நினச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன். அன்றைக்கி சுவாமிஜி சொன்ன மாதிரி குருதேவ் வந்து டீச்சிங் பண்ணால் நமக்காக பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னார். பேசிக்காக வந்து ஐ ரியலைஸ் தட் எவ்ரி டே நான் ஆக்சுவலாக சம்டைம்ஸ் தூக்கம் இல்லாமல் அவ்வளோ அந்த அளவுக்கு யோசிச்சிருக்கேன். நான் ஐ ஃபெல்ட் பேட் சம்டைம். நான் வந்து படிக்கிறோம், எனக்கு தெரியும், மனசில் தெரியும் நான் ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் பண்ணணும்னு. ஆனால் ஸ்டில் வாசனை காரணமாக ஏதாவது ஒரு வேலையில் இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு நம்ம டைமை வேஸ்ட் பண்ணிகிட்டே போயிட்டு இருந்தேன். ஸோ இப்போ வந்து ஐ அண்டர்ஸ்டுட் த இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ். ஸோ இந்த கேட்ச்சு, அதுவும் இல்லாமல் எங்களுக்கு வந்து அந்த கிளாஸ் எப்படி பண்ணணும், ஒரு ஸ்டடி குரூப் எப்படி பண்ணணும் அப்படின்றது நான் டைம் அதிகம் கேட்டாலும் கொடுக்கல ஆக்சுவலாக. ஆனால் அந்த ஒரு டப்பாக்குள்ளே நம்மளே அடைச்சிக்கிட்டு அந்த டைமுக்குள்ளே பேசணும். ஸோ அந்த டைம் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் எப்படி டீச் பண்ணணும் அதெல்லாம் வந்து கற்றுக்கிட்டோம். ஸோ டீச்சிங் இஸ் நாட் ஃபார் அதர்ஸ், டீச்சிங் வந்து நமக்காக நம்ம படிக்கிறோம். பிகாஸ் அதை ஐ குட் ஏபிள் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் எவ்ரி டே. அந்த ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் தூக்கம் கூட வரல சில டைமில். ஓகே, தேங்க்ஸ் சுவாமிஜி, ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. இது ஐ வில் ஜஸ்ட் ப்ரொசீட் லைக் திஸ். என்னோட பிராரப்தம் எப்படி இருக்கோ அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி ஐ வில் ஜஸ்ட் கண்டினியூ.
ஹரி ஓம். பிரணாம்ஸ் குருதேவ், பிரணாம்ஸ் சாமி ஆல் சாமிஜி. நான் இந்த கோர்ஸ் வந்து 40 நாள் எப்படி போச்சுன்னே தெரில. இதில் நான் நல்ல மேக்ஸிமம் புரிஞ்சுதுன்னா எதுவுமே நம்ம செய்யலை, உள்ளே இருக்கிற பகவான் தான் செய்கிறார். இப்போ நான் பேசுகிறேன்னா உள்ளே இருக்கிற பகவான் தான் பேசுகிறார், அதை நல்லா புரிஞ்சுனேன். அட் த சேம் டைம் நான் ரொம்ப வருஷமாக மிஷினில் ஆக்டிவாக இருக்கேன். இந்த 40 நாள் கோர்ஸ் எனக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக போச்சு. சுவாமிஜி ஃபஸ்ட்டு டே நாரத பக்தி சுதா எடுக்கும்போது அசைன்மெண்ட் கொடுத்து கொஷின்லாம் கேட்பேனார். அதுக்கு நிறைய ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி எல்லாம் பண்ணியிருந்தா கரெக்டாக கேட்குறாரு, அது மாதிரி பண்ணிவிட்டோம். அப்புறம் சுரேஷ் அனந்தாஜி, அருண்ஜி, பிரியாஜி அம்மா எல்லாருமே, பாரதி அம்மா எல்லாருமே நல்லா இது பண்ணி கொடுத்தாங்க. ஸோ நல்ல லேர்னிங். இதே மாதிரி மிஷின் வந்து ஒரு கோர்ஸ் வந்து இது கிராஷ் கோர்ஸ் மாதிரி 40 நாள் பண்ணாங்க. ஒரு லாங் ரன்னில் 2 வருஷம் 3 வருஷம் ஒரு ஆத்ம வித்யான்ற மாதிரி பண்ணால் ரொம்ப நல்லாயிருக்கும். என்னோட சஜஷன். ஹரி ஓம். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் கிவன் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி.
Hari Om and pranams to Puji Gurudev and our entire Guru Parampara and Acharyas here. My heartfelt gratitude for having conducted this, for the mission for organizing this camp. I understood it was emphasized again that being a sevak and teacher is first about being a sadhak, self-study, learning, and with that learning, you go and serve, right? And I was so much impressed with the wide knowledge and talent in the group that I could visualize and see, right? So with the Puja Gurudev's blessings, may thy grace and blessings flow through us to the world around us. Thank you. Hari Om.
Hari Om. குரு பூர்ணிமா. பிரணாம்ஸ் டு குரு பரம்பரா. நான் பெரியவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் எப்படி கற்றுக் கொடுக்கணும், ஆழமாக அவங்க கேட்குற கேள்விகளுக்கு எப்படி சொல்லணுங்கிறத இது மூலமாக தான் நான் கற்றுண்டேன். ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். என்னால் முடிஞ்ச எவ்வளவு சேவை பண்ணணுமோ சின்மயா மிஷனுக்கு கண்டிப்பாக செய்யணும்னு தான் ரொம்ப கடமைப்பட்டிருக்கேன். ஹரி ஓம்.
ஹரி ஓம். சுவாமிஜி, ஆச்சாரியாஸ் எல்லோருக்கும் வணக்கம். இந்த கேம்பில் வந்து முக்கியமாக 3 விஷயங்களை நான் கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். ஒன்று வந்து நம்ம சாதாரணமாக படிக்கிறதுக்கும் ஒரு டீச்சிங் ஆங்கிளோடு அது படிக்கிறதுக்கும் வந்து என்ன வித்தியாசம், எப்படி ஒரு டீப்பர் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங்கோடு படிக்கணுன்றது தெரிஞ்சுது. ரெண்டாவது, படித்ததை வந்து நாள் ஃபுல்லாக வந்துட்டு வேறு ஏதாவது வேலைகள் இருந்தாலும் இந்த வேலை செய்யும்போது கூட அது மனசுக்குள்ளார அது ஓடிக்கிட்டே இருந்தது. ஈவன் படுக்கும்போது வந்து அது வந்து அடுத்த நாளைக்கு நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், ஏற்கனவே படித்தது வந்து என்ன இருக்குன்றது வந்து ஒரு கண்டெம்ப்ளேஷன் வந்து பண்ணுறதுக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப உதவியாக இருந்தது. அதே மாதிரி இந்த டெக்னிக்கலாக வந்து இப்போ ஜூம் மாதிரி அதில் வந்து எப்படி ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுறது, அதை எப்படி வந்து அப்லோட் பண்ணுறது, அந்த மாதிரி டெக்னிக்கலான சில விஷயங்களையும் கற்றுக்க முடிஞ்சுது. இது இந்த 40 நாள் எல்லாரும் சொன்ன மாதிரி இது எப்படி போனதுன்னே தெரியல, ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தது. இதே போல் எங்களுக்கு மீதி இருக்கிற எங்களுடைய லைஃபையும் வந்துட்டு சின்மயா மிஷனுக்கும் மற்றவங்களுக்கும் எப்படி உபயோகமாக எங்களால் செய்ய முடியுன்றது அந்த குருதேவோட அருளால் நாங்கள் நிச்சயமாக செய்யோன்னு என்று உறுதி கூறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Hari Om, pranams to Swamijis and Acharyas. ஃபஸ்ட்டு இந்த 40 days மேடம் சொன்னபோது, கமலா மேடம் சொன்னப்போ எப்படி நம்ம 40 days வீட்டு வேலை எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு கேம்ப்னா டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டு, எப்படி 40 days நம்ம 1.5 hours வைக்க போகிறோம்னு நினச்சேன். பட் இட் வாஸ் அமேசிங். இட் வாஸ் அ டிவைன் அண்ட் மிஸ்டிக்கல் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ். படிக்கும்போது புதுசாக எல்லாம் தெரிஞ்ச சப்ஜெக்ட்னா கூட அந்த 5 minutes டாக்குக்கு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணும்போது என்னென்னவோ மனசில் புதுசாக தோணுது. இதெல்லாம் நான் வந்து டீச் பண்ணணுங்கிற ஆங்கிளில் படிக்கலைன்னா நிச்சயமாக ஐ வுட் நாட் ஹவ் தாட் ஆஃப் ஆல் திஸ். அந்த மாதிரி சம் தாட்ஸ் ஆர் கம்மிங் டு மை மைண்ட். சுவாமிஜி, நாங்கள் வந்து we are already bound as a family with love and respect to each other. This 40 days has accomplished that. And I give you my word that we will continue this Swadhyayam to the fullest of our capabilities. Thank you, Swamiji.
Hari Om. My impression about the camp: self-reading of spiritual texts will only create confusion in our minds. Only Acharyas like you, with focus on each of us, can transform the knowledge we gained into wisdom. Learning and teaching are complementary aspects. Last but not the least, eCamp created a high sense of discipline in all respects when in a group and value for time. And my sankalpa: I shall from now ready myself to raise my bar in learning and skill for sharing also. Hari Om.
Hari Om. Humble pranams to Pujya Gurudev and all the Acharyas. Namaskarams to all the Swamijis and Gurus present here. Today is the best day to pay tribute to our Gurus, and we have travelled with them for 40 days. Thanking Chinmaya Mission for making this e-camp happen. I think I needed this kind of a push to do thorough studies, and all the Acharyas here have helped me achieve this. The regular shloka sessions and its recordings, the various texts and its study and teaching what we learnt and self-study had been a routine all these 40 days. I am really going to miss these wonderful evening sessions. I will try my best to study more and share this knowledge to all who want to learn like us. Hari Om.
Hari Om. Pranams to Swamijis. I think this course has given me a turn in my life. Due to this course, there's a complete change in this 40 days. And about the teaching, the structural schedule done by the Chinmaya Mission has been amazing, and it's remarkable. Such a disciplined, right from on dot, they start at 6, and the completion also. So I'm looking forward, very happy to start teaching for the Devi group, KK Nagar. I'm just waiting to start my teaching. Thank you.
Hari Om, Sri Gurubhyo Namah. Respected Acharyas and my co-savers, I have been very blessed to attend this program. And my sankalpa has always been to pass on Indic culture and knowledge to the next generation, and I have been contributing a little bit right inside my comfort zone. Now this camp has gently held my hand and taken me out of this comfort zone and has opened up a new world of opportunities. So I look forward to contributing more to this Guru Parampara. Thank you. Hari Om.
Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. This course, I'm standing here, I don't know what to talk. Actually, I didn't prepare. But this course has taught me that. Stand courageously and speak what you know. That's what I learned from this camp. And in this camp, all my Kama group people and all others had a different interpretation. The way they say, I learned a lot in this camp. I still remember Shanti, I messaged a day before saying that I don't want to enroll this course. This looks to be a very difficult one. She's like, just do it. You will do it. So I have done it. I hope I will continue doing it. And I'm really happy. And I want to say one more thing. I think Swami Sureshananda ji, I felt like big boss. He will give us task. He will give us timing. He will give us, but he didn't give us punishment. That is the only part. But I really enjoyed being in this camp. And thank you everyone for being so supportive. Thank you so much. Hari Om.
Hari Om, Swamiji. Hari Om, all. I consider myself truly blessed to being part of this course. It's actually had a lot of transformation to me. Every way, 24/7. Today is 24th or 7th month, but I should say that 24/7, I think my awakening hours, I was reflecting on whatever I was learning. Absolutely transforming. And my sankalpa is to transmit. Just like I have transformed, learned lessons for life, I will surely transmit to others as well. Hari Om.
Hari Om. With due respect to the people on the dais and all the persons present here, நான் இந்த செஷன் ஃபுல்லாக 45 days முழுக்கவுமே தமிழில் பேசணும்னு முயற்சி பண்ணி ரொம்ப நிறைய முயற்சி பண்ணியிருக்கேன். சுவாமி சுரேஷானந்த் அவர்களால் இன்ஸ்பயர் ஆகி நான் தமிழில் பேசணும் அப்படின்னு இப்போ தான் முதல் தடவையாக முயற்சி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஐ டோ நாட் நோ ஹவ் ஃபார் ஐ எம் சக்சீடிங். பட் இந்த 45 நாள் வந்து ஒரு பெரிய யஜ்யம் மாதிரி இருந்தது எனக்கு. இன்ஸ்பைட் ஆஃப் ஆஃபீஸ் அது இது இருந்தாலும் எப்படியோ அடிச்சு பிடிச்சி வந்து ஐ வாஸ் ஏபிள் டு பார்ட்டிசிபேட். அண்ட் இந்த லேர்னிங் ஐ வில் டெஃபினெட்லி கண்டினியூ. இது வந்து ஒரு டீச் பண்ணுறது வந்து நம்மளோட வாழ்க்கையில் கிடைச்ச ஒரு பெரிய ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டியாக நான் நினைக்கிறேன். அண்ட் ஃபஸ்ட்டு டே சுவாமி மித்ரானந்தஜி சொன்னப்போ ஐ எம் அ டிவோட்டி நம்ம இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணணும்னு சொன்னப்போ நான் ஆற்றுல அதை ட்ரை பண்ணி பார்த்தேன். மை ஹஸ்பண்ட் ஸ்டார்டட் லாஃபிங். Why you're telling I am a devotee, I am making coffee for you and all. But then I told him, I explained him, he was very highly impressed, and then he also started listening to Swamiji's lectures, and he was very happy that I am learning so much. And I'm really thankful to each and every person present here. I learned a lot and I will continue to do so. From tomorrow I will continue to start reading 4 or 5 pages every day. I give this commitment today and start writing down my doubts, and I will ask the acharyas for my clarification wherever I'm not able to do it myself. And I'm really thankful to each and every person here. Thank you. Hari Om.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om to Swamijis, Acharyas, and everybody. Hari Om to all of you. The words of Swami Mitrananda ji when he spoke at the beginning of the course is still fresh in my mind, and it will never go out, I think. He said preservation of this highest spiritual knowledge and how we have to pass it on to the next generation. So I'm looking forward to passing it on to the next generation along with my own self-evolution. So thank you.
And this his team and all, I felt that to give my best, how they are giving their best to the best service, like that I have also to so much inspired by their the work, and I try do my best. Then Guru is there, Shastra is there, holding that, dive deep and move forward. This is my sankalpa.
My humble pranams to everyone. Our mission pledge, there are 2 words that repeats the maximum. Can anyone guess what are those 2 words? Courage, service. So we have been told to serve courageously, fearlessly, be fearless and serve. 3 things that I had learned: timeliness, practice before you preach. Third one, do what we can, then we will do what is possible. Then suddenly we will realize that we are doing something which we thought is impossible. Hari Om.
Hari Om. So last 40 days, when you get up at morning 6 o'clock, you look forward when it's going to be 6 p.m. And from tomorrow, it's not going to be there. And that's going to give us the pain. This exemplifies how successful the camp was. And the highlight of this camp, of the organizers, is the 3 things. One is the planning, the patience, and the punctuality. This is entirely different from many other places. And they followed the same BMI: planning with the intellect, the patience with the mind, and punctuality with the body. And any camp, the success of the camp is how good the sevaks are. The energy and the effort put by everybody, by Sumama to Sushilama. I have seen many times Padmama, most of the classes attended in the bike with full drenched. That is the level of commitment the campus have shown. And the Sankalpa is to continue to live the values, whatever is being said in the scriptures, and find expression to convey the same to the new generation so that they get inspired and take it forward. Hari Om.
Thank you everybody for beautiful impression. My eyes was on the watch, so all of you passed the test. I think 2 of you did not, but it's okay. So may I request Swamiji Mitrananda ji to spark one more light of ignition that keeps us going for next 1 year.
समस्त जन कल्याणे नरथं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्. You started the program with Sadashiva Samarambham. We have tweaked it a bit, that particular thing in the mission I like to share. We say Hari Hara Samarambham, Vyasa Shankara Madhyamam, Asmatacharya Paryantam, Vande Guru Parampara. So it's just a little tweak on it, which is more inclusive. And that's the word in today's parlance, inclusive. So Hari Hara Samarambham, Vyasa Shankara Madhyamam. Okay, so next time when you do it, whenever you do this invocation, it can be done this way. It's just a little tweak. Okay. I'm glad the course has taken a grand finale. Can I ask you questions on Narada Bhakti Sutra? I still remember what I spoke to you. I just want one question. What is Ekadasa Bhakti? Anybody? All 11. All 11. I'm not asking you in relay, okay? One person standing up and saying all 11. If you don't come forward, I'll pick you up. Start with you. I said I'll start with Shanti. He said, okay, please go ahead and start with Shanti. Yeah. What? Huh? Yes, go ahead. Where was Pada Sevanam in that? You are saying about Navarasa Bhakti. This is Ekadasa Bhakti. No issues. Don't panic. I was also like you. It's easy to ask questions. Don't worry. And we are good at it. You will be doing this job after some time. Don't worry. Take it easy. But my point is, you are a student, start learning. Few things you should know. See, remember, particularly why I came back to Ekadasi. My slot was over. What I did, I finished. I said, I need an extra hour. Because that's 11 types of devotion. And Narad is a master of devotion. He is the PhD in devotion. So when he comes forward and says, these are the 11 types of devotion, we should remember them. Because that will be very easy topic for you to talk. When you have to take a class, just imagine 11 points are there. Each point you give 2 minutes, 3 minutes, your time is done. You understand? So it is deep content, easy to lecture. So you need to remember what was discussed. Okay, that was, what do you call that as 25 mark question. 1 mark question I'll ask you now. According to Narad Rishi, how to cultivate devotion? According to Narad Rishi. You didn't expect this in convocation, but that's me.
One should feel sorry or feel very bad if he misses that day's puja or devotee. He should feel very sad that I didn't do puja today, which I was regularly doing.
Okay. Parama Vyakulata iti. That once I forgot to remember the Lord, it should hurt me. You missed 11 points. Is it hurting? Is it hurting? Then it is devotion. Don't worry. Okay. What did Vyasa say about devotion? Because I asked him that day also. So he remembers it now to stand up and tell me. Puja Dishu iti Parasharya. Son of Parashara said, puja is the way to develop devotion. Further? Garg says stories. Katadishu iti Gargaha. One more, Chandelier. Garga stories. Okay, more or less, you have summarized it. Atma Virodhaneti. Okay. Fine, I also didn't know what I should ask you. I just started, right? Okay. Study continues. Okay, please understand, we need to continue. The course is finished. We are not a sevak. We are a student trying to talk loudly. In one of the lectures, in the early days, Gurudev himself said, he addressed the whole crowd, and I brought it out in On a Quest movie, if you have seen it. So he will come out and he'll say, I've been watching one person coming here regularly every day, and he was listening to everything what I said, to the every point. Do you want to know who that is? And everybody was like, who's this? You know, like he was doing for 100 days and all that. He said, the speaker. Speaker is the first learner. Speaking is the best way to learn. So please keep that, you're a learner. And that way it would be more easy. Now I'm going to tell you something more which we discussed some time back before this program could come. We are doing another initiative we are trying to take, which is to expand the knowledge base of Chinmaya Mission. You know why Gurudev accepted the name Chinmaya for the organization? Because it is Chinmaya, Chit plus Maya, seekers of knowledge. In that interpretation, he accepted the name. When people were all pushing it on him, he was not interested even in an organization. So we are a knowledge-based organization. Please remember, the Guru left 1993 and the work still continues because it is knowledge-based. So this has to be understood. We are not, I repeat this wherever I go and I'm repeating it again here, we are not a person-based organization. We are book-based organization. Let this be very clear. Book is the final authority. Okay, knowledge. So we need to expand this knowledge more than what we have been studying. We are an authority more or less on Prasthanatraya. Basically, that is what is being taught. And more or less in Chinmaya Mission, you will find more people are an authority on Bhagavad Gita, on the Upanishads and Brahma Sutra. We are an authority. But Hindu literature is much more than this. It's too vast, too wide. We have libraries of them. You know, Nalanda University was burnt, crushed down by Khilji, and the library was burnt for 6 months. Can you imagine the kind of books we had? Something was burning for 6 months, that huge. So that's how vast is our knowledge. We have library. So we have decided that we should start studying in groups. Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama, Atharvana, Valmiki Ramayana, Mahabharat, Patanjali Yoga Sutras, Puranas, Manu Smriti. Periya Puranam, Kamba Ramayanam, Tirukural, Tirumandiram and Artha Shastra. Some 14 books we have identified now. Because see, today, honestly, if someone comes and says, what does Yajnavalkya Samhita say about family values? Yajnavalkya Rishi, Yajurveda, let us say, what does that say about family values? And none of us would be able to say that. Because we have not studied Yajurveda. We won't know. If someone is asking, what is Yajurveda? Because 4 Vedas is what Hinduism is. What is Yajnavalkya Samhita talking about? Values of trees. Or what is the lesson which could be useful for me from Yajurveda? Let us say, Yajnavalkya Samhita or Yajurveda. What would be useful to me? Can contemporary problems your Vedas solve? We don't have. We will go back to Bhagavad Gita and we will say something. Which is the gist of the Vedas? What is needed for self-development, for individual to attain higher evolution? Bhagavad Gita is enough. The best book. We don't need any other book. Seriously, we don't need to turn a page of another book. Gita is sufficient to take us higher. We will definitely evolve. We will definitely be a better person. Gita is enough. But for Hindu Renaissance, we can't keep talking only about one book when there are so many books. So we have worked out on these 14 books and we are making a team of 10 members for each book. So Harisham will contact you and give you the list and you can join any of these groups. And for next 3 years, you will be studying one text with that group. Let us say, for example, 10 of you have joined to study Periya Puranam in Tamil. Now you will be doing for next 3 years, you people will study Periya Puranam. And after 1 year, we will start asking you to come and speak. What you have studied, what it is, come and share. Join with others, share. And by the end of the 3rd year, more or less you would have mastered that particular text because you're going to study in a research mind. More or less you would have mastered the text. By end of 3rd year, you must train 10 more people in Periya Puranam. So imagine in 6 years' time, we would have 20, 25 people in our mission authority on Periya Puranam. Same way in Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Atharvana, Valmiki Ramayana, Mahabharata. In these books, we want to create people, because today, if someone is going to ask us any question, we have to refer somewhere else, isn't it? We run to somebody else and saying, oh, I don't know Rig Veda, you please tell me what is there in Rig Veda. We need to ask an outsider help, somebody in authority, we go there and we take this information. When we call ourselves knowledge-based organization, and the name of the organization itself is Chinmaya, Chit plus Maya, we must be an authority on these books. You understand? Chinmaya Mission must be an authority on these books. If anybody wants anything, they should come to us. Suppose someone wants to make a documentary or a film on Vedic heritage. They should come to us saying, please guide us. Can you take us through this? How do we understand? We must be an authority. So we are trying to create this base. For this year, we are looking at 140 people, 10 people per book, and we'll slowly expand. Just imagine in 5 to 10 years, 5 to 6 years time, we will probably have 250 people on authority on different books. That way, when there is anything needed, research, etc., we can take. For example, suppose you have studied, let us say, Samaveda, one group has done, and we bring out a book, Samaveda for children. Now, Vedas for children are not there till now. Suppose we bring it up to the child level, Vedas, Rig Veda for children, Yajur Veda for children. So at the child level itself, the child will understand what is this Veda about. May not know the entire content, but we can, like we have Gurudev has done, Gita for children. He has made a book, Gita for children. Similarly, we can make these things. This would be useful, it would expand. So we all remain a student. We will continue as a student studying and sharing whatever we can. So in this 14 books, I have taken up to study Manu Smriti. I want to study that book. We'll make a team, we'll study Manu Smriti. Because that book seems to be the seat of controversy. On anything and everything, they pick up Manu Smriti and bash us left, right. Hinduism gets bashed based on this one book. We should know to defend it authentically. We should know to say what is correct and what is to be dropped, or to which era he spoke, which is not eligible now. So we need that. So I am going to read that book. Probably in 1 year we will know, I will know definitely what is Manu Smriti on the team which comes to me. Like that, there are 14 books. Harisham, you share the list with them and see who all are interested for which books, because we need 10 members on each book. And Ovi, this has to go to our school teachers. Some of the teachers can be involved in this. Some of the parents can be involved in this, because it will be like monthly, twice we may meet, online or offline, or thrice in a month. You know, like weekly once we may not. Once in 10 days, let us say thrice in a month we will meet to take up this study. In 3 years' time, I'm sure we will do it. So it will be nice if our Balvihar Sevaks, Shishu Vihar Sevaks, parents, Yuva Kendra or their parents, Chinmaya Vidyalaya parents, teachers, if all come inside, this number can expand faster. And then we will have a very solid knowledge base. So that would be nice, and that is a decision we took on Guru Purnima. On this day, we took a decision, let's do this. And I'm sure it is His will, it is His sankalpa, this will happen naturally well. Thank you.
Thank you, Swamiji. In my heart also, I've made the sankalpa, and I had an earnest desire to understand Manusmriti. I've been let down in many forums because of Manusmriti. Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, I could manage. But Manusmriti, I'm angry with Manu. I want to question him, especially when it's related to women. Who is he to decide what women should do? Now, these are the burning questions I have, and let me understand, and I'm there in that group, Swamiji, Hari Om. So maybe invite O.V. Nambiarji to speak a few words. Thank you.
Hari Om to all of you. An extremely auspicious day. One goes back to Vedavyasa, and you have now joined that great lineage as Acharyas of tomorrow. And as a guide, you have Swamiji here to take you through the path of knowledge. And Gurudev, of course, you know very well, is on the way of Jnanamarga. So I'm very happy that all of you have come forward, and it is very, very close to my heart, because for him, this understanding and gaining knowledge is the most important. Prachar work comes only after that, only after you gain the knowledge. And the new program that Swamiji has said today brings a great vibration to this mission. So we have a very good future, and I hope all of you will work together and make it a success. Hari Om.
Thank you so much for your kind words. May we invite Srimati Kausar Ganesh to render vote of thanks before we move into the graduation ceremony.
Salutations to our Puja Gurudev, Swami Chinmayananda Ji. Pranams to all the Acharyas. Namaskaram to all gathered here. On behalf of all the Sevaks and Sevikas, I extend a heartful gratitude to His Holiness Swami Mitrananda Ji, who said the first qualification which you need is to identify yourself as a devotee. And I'm so glad that Ramalakshmi Amma did the same thing, and I think we all should do that consciously. Unless and until we don't identify ourselves as devotee, we are not going to go anywhere. So I'm also grateful to all the Acharyas who were committed to impart the knowledge with a very practical approach. It was not above our head. It was something which we could understand, and we could experience it practically. Srimati Priyama taught us how we need to surrender unto Guru, and only Guru can change our life. And Brahmacharni Bharati Amma said that only with God everything is possible, and if you surrender yourself to God, everything is possible. Brahmacharya Ananda Chaitanya Ji helped us to understand that being a devotee, surrendering to Guru and to God, will expand one's inner personality. Sri Arunachalam Ji opened a new dimension for us, which is silence, from Bhagwan Ramana Maharishi. And His Holiness Swami Sureshananda Ji helped us to understand the supreme knowledge of Tattvamasi at the end. Now, the entire design of this camp helped us to stay focused. I can assure you, Swamiji, that each and every one would do their homework so sincerely, and we could see that when they were doing the discussions, and after the discussions too, we would be waiting for Swamiji's feedback. It was like watching a thriller movie. Everybody would be at the edge of the seat waiting for him to give his inputs, and we worked on those inputs, and now we are here ready for the journey. And special thanks to Sri O.V. Nambiarji, who spearheads all the activities of the mission, to Harishamji, Sri Harishamji, who is the secretary of the Chinmaya mission, the e-camp coordinators, Srimati Raj Neelakantan, Srimati Jayalakshmi Narayan, Sri Ramanaji, and Sri Kalyan Sundaram, for keeping the wheels of the study group rolling. A heartfelt thanks to Sri Sharada Venkatraman, Sri Jayalakshmi Narayan, and Srimati Karpagam Balakrishnan, who tuned our chanting and they were so sweet, and her comments would be so gentle that we would start working on our chanting each and every time, and she was available all the time so that we could get back to her when we had some doubts. I also want to thank the technical support, Mr. Kaushik and Shri Abhirami Amma, for her administration support. And there was a small person, not a small person, I remember this person coming to my home with a bundle of books in a moped. He traveled somewhere around, I came to hear today that he traveled 200 kilometers just to pass on these books to us. And I think that is the point where this entire study group started. An unknown person coming with the most valuable knowledge, coming humbly to us, and I'm so glad that I met that person, and from there the study group, the journey started. And special thanks to Shanti Amma, whose dedication is beyond words. Her enthusiasm is so contagious, and she is so inspiring, and she always pushes us to do the best. But not the least, last but not the least, I want to thank all our family members for putting up with us, for accepting the dosas and the idlis regularly for the 40 days, and also for listening to us repeatedly when we used to go, when we asked them to listen to the preparation which we have made. So this is not the end, this is just the beginning. Now, I remember as a child, the rainy days are the most wonderful time. You can see those little raindrops perched on the cloth line. மழை பெஞ்ச உடனே அந்த துணி காயிற அந்த கயிறு மேலே வந்து குட்டி குட்டி ட்ராப்ஸ் இருக்கும். கொஞ்சம் நேரம் பொறுத்து பார்த்தா ஒரு ட்ராப் இன்னொரு ட்ராப் கிட்ட போயிட்டு அப்படியே ஒட்டின்ட்டு கொஞ்சம் பெரிய ட்ராப் ஆகும், அப்புறம் அது அப்படியே கீழே விழும். Then it runs like a streak of water and then joins the water which is gushing. The same way, all the spiritual knowledge which we have got should join together, swell, grow, expand, and all that should go and join into the Jnana Ganga, which the name of the study, which the name of the study group right now. And with this note, I want to just thank everyone with a few words, few lines of Puja Guruji Swami Tejomayananda ji. अनेक जन्मार्जित पुण्य प्राप्तः मया गुरुर्यो जगदि प्रसिद्धः यस्य प्रसादेन मानप्रशान्तं बभूवमेतं शिरसा नमामि कृतज्ञताया चरदिष्टिता मे वक्तुं न शक्या खलु यत्नतोऽपि गुरो प्रसीद कृपया विदेहि त्वत्पादभक्तिं परमानुरक्तिं Hari Om and pranams. Every time I sing this line, I get goosebumps. Even now I can feel that. So it is our Purva Janma Praptam that we are all here. And Swamiji, we are like sponges now. We are ready to absorb whatever you give to us. And on behalf of all the Sevaks and Sevikas, I assure you that we will do our best to uphold our tradition and culture. Hari Om and thank you.
Thank you, Kausar. It was amazing. It was beautiful. So we now get into the ritual, what we are here today. So with the blessings of all Swamijis and Acharyas, I request Sevaks and Sevikas to line up as per your Sevak number. Okay, after Swamijis go up to the dais.
मोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं स्वकं विलासि लोकरक्षकं अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिते वदैत्यकं नतासुभाषुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकं नतेतरादिभीकरं नमोदितार्कभास्वरं नमत्सुरारिनिर्झरं नतादिकावधुत्तरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजे निरन्तरं मुदाकरातमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिते दैत्यकं नदाशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं धरेतरो
Can we all chant? Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. 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 Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha.
Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha.
Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। 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 ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः।
ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः.
Can we all stand up for pledge?